is attending their first class after the lockdown. All are wearing masks and they are very quiet. This is not the usual scene of the class. The students are not usually this quiet. Let me find out what is their experience, what is their feeling on the first day of the class after the थोड़ी आवाज आई. Name?
Neha Chaudhary. I am happy, but I am also confused. And
Jaldi, quickly you have to respond.
I was happy because school was reopened.
School has reopened, you are happy.
Ma'am, my name is Sudeep. I am happy but sad for my friends.
Oh, your friends have not come, so you are unhappy.
I am happy because the school is reopened.
It has reopened, so you are happy. But I am not able to see your face.
For a school in open.
That's it. Kuch
I am
nahi.
happy school will reopen.
School has reopened.
I am happy the school has reopened after 11 months.
After 11 months and
My name is Akash Srivastav. I am happy because the school is reopened.
bus. That's it.
My name is Shresna. I am very happy because I am bored at home.
You were bored at home and you wanted to come back to school.
My name is Rahul. I am little bit happy and confused and mostly nervous.
Mostly nervous. Okay. Because now you have to write down, है ना?
My name is Ritika Kumari. I am happy too for I will meet my teachers and friends too.
Okay.
And confused too.
Okay. She has come to school and she has met the friends and teachers, so she is happy.
My name is Sheetal Raj. I am confused because my friend is not coming.
She is not happy because her friend has not arrived. Yes.
My name is Ragini Kumari. I am happy because the school is open.
You are happy the school has reopened.
My name is Suhani Priya. I was too happy because I came to school after a long time.
After a long time, she has come to school, so she is happy.
I am Nani Priya. I am happy because school is reopened after a long period of lockdown.
After a long period of lockdown, the school has reopened.
I am Srishti Kumari. I am happy and confused also because I am happy that the school has reopened and confused because the scene and the timetable is very different from our regular time.
The timetable and the scene in the school is very different from the regular school when
My name is Ashish Chandan. I am happy but little worried about the exam.
little worried about the exam. Okay, new thing.
My
Good.
name is Divyanshu. It's my first day in the school.
In the school,
I'm happy but little confused
little bit nervous. Why nervous?
about the exam.
About the exam. Exam को लेकर के people are a bit nervous and not ready. No? Not ready.
My name is Aditya Kumar. I am happy because my school is reopened after a long period.
After a long period. And you are going to appear for the offline exam. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
My name is Anika and I am happy but also nervous and confused what I have to do.
Because what you have to?
After a long time we have come to school, that's why.
Okay. After a long time, you people have arrived to school. So, many of you are confused. Many of you are happy and worried, nervous. There are mixed feelings for the first day of the school after the long lockdown. But welcome back. You are all welcome. And never mind, you will pick up. Kuch time ke baad, you will pick up everything and you will be studying in a better way. Chalo. Class after the lockdown and all are wearing masks and maintaining the social distance. These children are happy or sad. Let's find out. Speak up. Actually, children are speechless these days. They have lost their ability to speak and gossip. You do not want to speak anything? She is speechless.
I am happy to see my friends.
You are happy
Yes, ma'am.
to see your friends. Who is your friend? Look, your backbench is empty. Yes,
Hello, my name is Saurabh. I am happy and I am happy to come to a school.
Bas, that's it.
I am happy because I see my friends and I do offline class.
Oh, you have attended the offline class and you're enjoying the offline classes instead of online classes.
I am happy because I like sit alone.
Oh, because there are not many students, so he has got the opportunity to sit alone. This bench is entirely his, so he is happy for that. Yes.
I am happy because I am doing the offline classes.
Offline classes. He is enjoying the offline classes. Yes.
I am happy because I made my friends and I am enjoying the offline classes.
Offline classes.
I am happy and so excited because I will happy for the meet my friends and my best teachers.
And my best teachers. She is happy to meet the teachers with the friend.
I am happy for doing offline classes and see my friends.
That's it. What else?
I am happy because I come back my school and I meet my friends.
That's it. Say something new. Everybody is happy to see, but all the friends have come.
I am happy because the school reopens and I come to school.
That's it.
I am enjoy the offline classes and my friend is come. I am enjoy the offline class.
You are enjoying the offline class and it's been more than 10 months. After that you are coming to school.
I am happy because I am enjoying the offline classes and I meet my teachers.
Okay. After 10 months he is meeting his teachers.
I am happy because I attend offline classes.
You didn't enjoy the online classes? Did you enjoy the online classes? No. You didn't enjoy the online classes. Why? You were sitting at the comfort of home, mobile in your hands. So you didn't enjoy that. Many confusions were okay.
I am happy because I am seeing my friend again.
Again after the long lockdown.
I am happy because the examination will be offline.
That's the good point. He is happy because the examination will be offline. Now you have to write with your pen without the help of book and Google Uncle, right? Chalo. This is the class who has gone mute. All are muted despite so many even I have instigated you to speak something. You people are quiet. You are not speaking at all. It seems that pandemic has muted you. So I want you to share your experience. I want to listen it. So I give you just 30 seconds or 20 second time. Here, yes.
Ma'am, I like school because in school we have enjoyed very much and we talk more. We got knowledge in the schools.
My question is, what? After pandemic, what is your mental state? Be seated.
Ma'am, I'm not liking school because it's not habit to go to school after 8 months.
Oh, you have lost the habit of coming to school, so you are more comfortable at home. You do not want to come to school. Huh? And what about you? Do you want to come to school?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because there is gone of habit also.
Oh, there is no fun in the school.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, and not habit has been changed.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. You do not want to come to school.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to come to school.
Ma'am, because I have learned different things.
Oh, you want to learn from the school itself. And you?
Ma'am, I am not want to come school.
You do not want to come to school. Why?
मैम मैं किसी से टॉक ही नहीं कर सकता.
Oh, because you are not able to talk to anybody. This is cruelty. I understand. This is cruelty because you are not able to talk to your friends. And
I
you?
don't like the school because our partners was not coming and so we cannot talk and not make fun in school.
Oh, partner has not come, so not the school is no fun. So it's not liking the school. You?
Yes, ma'am. Because we can get all information from getting revision. Ma'am, we can get revision works for
You can get revision from?
from ma'am teachers.
From teachers. Oh, you are liking the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you are ready to come?
Yes, ma'am.
You are liking, even though your partner, you are sitting, well, distancing is there, but she's liking the school. But most of you have different
I
opinion.
do not like school because the partner is not coming.
Your friend has not come, so you are not enjoying the school. You know why?
Don't like school. I don't not.
Why do you do not like the school? Because your partner, your friend has not come. That's it. Do you had the friend?
मैम मेरा फ्रेंड नहीं है मैम इसलिए.
Friends आए नहीं. रोल नंबर ये लगे.
Ma'am, I like the school before pandemic and I don't like school now because my partner is not coming now. His always even and he not coming now.
Not coming.
We cannot run in corridor without teacher.
Okay, you are not supposed to run into the corridors and have fun. Okay.
Missing the partners.
Missing the partner. Yeah.
I'm not liking to come in the school because my partner is not coming.
That's it. Do you come to school only for the partners, your friends? Huh?
Because my partner is not coming.
That's it. Okay. You say something.
Ma'am, if my partner will sit with me, I also come and enjoying the school.
So it means you are coming to the school for the partners only. You are not coming to school. Only friend.
I miss my partner.
You miss your partner.
No, I have friends but they are different roll number.
You have friends, but they are having different roll numbers, so they have not come to the school, and that is the only reason that makes you sad.
I will comfortable feel in home.
Huh?
I will comfortable feel in home.
You are more comfortable at home. Why?
School आने की आदत छूट गया.
छूट गई है आदत. Okay. So this is the situation of the class. They have all gone muted, and I have to work really hard to make them speak. बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है इन लोगों से बात करना भी. ये लोग बात ही नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं. But it shall pass.